If you're trying to get the most out of your wired internet connection, you can manually set your Ethernet adapter to run at 1.0 Gbps full duplex using Device Manager. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Right-click the Start menu, the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, and choose Device Manager from the list. Step 2. Locate your network adapter. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section. Look for an entry that says something like Intel or Ethernet connection I219V or similar. It may vary based on your hardware. Step 3. Open Adapter Properties. Right-click on your Ethernet adapter, then select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Advanced tab. Step 4. Change Speed and Duplex setting. In the list of properties, scroll until you find Speed and Duplex. Click on it, then from the drop-down menu to the right, select 1.0 Gbps full duplex. Step 5. Apply and restart. Click OK to save your changes. You may need to restart your computer or briefly disable and re-enable your network connection for the change to take effect. Tip: if you notice any connection issues after this change, try setting it back to auto negotiation. Some networks work best when both ends agree on the speed automatically.